What's up everybody, my name is Alex and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple face swap using Microsoft Word that literally anybody can do. This is the finished product right here. This is something along the lines of what you're going to get. As you can tell, it's not exactly perfect by any means. It's not a real Photoshop. It's just a basic way to put your face on someone else's. And it's kind of funny. So there, that's me, and I've put myself on LeBron James dunking basketball. So, how you're going to start is first you're going to load your two images into Microsoft Word. And that's what I have right here. We're going to have a background image and a foreground image. First thing we're going to work with is the foreground image. So, first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to right click on your foreground image. You're going to go to wrap text and put it on tight. I'm not sure it actually matters which wrap you use. I prefer tight just because that's what I've always used. But basically all this does is allow you to move your image around anywhere on the page in your Microsoft Word document, which you're going to need to do this face swap. Next, you're going to want to come up here to Picture Format, still selecting the foreground image, by the way, and click on Picture Format. Now, we're going to go find Remove a Background. I know in Windows, it's in the top left corner. I'm not exactly sure where it is on a Mac, but if you poke around through all the picture format tools, Remove Background will be one of them. We're going to go ahead and click it. And we're going to have a pink shaded area pop up for the parts of the image that Microsoft Word has decided to remove. Now, since it's a computer software that does this for you, it's not perfect, and you have to tell it what to do. So, in this instance, you can see part of my shirt and my tie are still on me, and I don't think I want those on me while I'm dunking the basketball. So, to fix this, all you do is come up to Mark Areas to Remove in the top left corner, click it, and then when you come back to your photo, you will have a little editor tool, and all you basically have to do is scribble a little bit on the parts you don't want included in your image. Let the computer do its thing. And boom, there we go. Let me touch this up a little bit better. The same can be done if part of your face is cut off. Like, for instance, with poor lighting, a lot of times my hair gets cut off because it's rather dark. All you have to do is mark areas to keep using the tool right next to mark areas to remove. And that will add things back to the image. And then to finish this, all you do is simply click outside of it. And now, our image is ready to be moved. So we can move me around. We're going to want to come up here to the background image now for a second. Right click there, go to wrap text, and do it tight. Now, we're ready to put me on LeBron. Slide me up, scroll to the right spot. So you can see here, I am facing a little bit to the left, and LeBron is looking to the right. So I'm going to want to mirror this image by just simply dragging it across and flipping it over the y-axis. There we go. I'm going to want to make it smaller. I find in these types of edits, usually they're like a funny type of thing. I find it a little funnier to make the heads larger than life big. And I'm going to rotate it just to make it look like I'm really up there dunking the ball. So, I hope you found this video useful. Showed you how to do a quick, easy face swap using Microsoft Word. If you're curious about exporting this video, there's no great way to do it that I have found. For me, the best way to do it is just to take a simple screenshot of the desired image, and then you'll have one image with both things stitched into it. So, on Windows, I'll hold the Windows key, Shift S. A little snippet tool will come up. I'll come in here. I can snip it. And then if we come down here later in the document, Control V to paste. And then we have one image of me dunking a basketball in a professional basketball game. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.